Welcome to the AI Campa micro documentary. I hope you enjoy this micro episode, and please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.
Imagine being able to look billions of years into the past, to witness the birth of the first stars, the formation of galaxies, and the origins of our cosmic history. This isn't science fiction, it's exactly what one telescope is doing right now. Welcome to the incredible story of the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful time machine. When we look into the night sky, we're not seeing the present, we're seeing the past. Light from distant stars and galaxies takes millions, even billions of years to reach us. The James Webb Space Telescope captures this ancient light, allowing us to see the universe as it was over 13 billion years ago. Webb uses a massive gold-coated mirror over 6.5 meters wide to collect faint infrared light. This special type of light can pass through cosmic dust and reveal details invisible to ordinary telescopes. It's like peeling back layers of the universe to uncover its deepest secrets. The mission has 4 main goals: to search for the first galaxies, study how they evolve, examine the birth of stars and planetary systems, and investigate the potential for life on other worlds. Every image Webb sends back is like a page from the universe's history book. In its first year alone, Webb revealed galaxies that existed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. It's captured the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, detected water vapor in alien worlds, and exposed stunning cosmic structures that challenge our understanding of physics. By looking back in time, Webb is helping scientists understand how everything we see today, from stars to planets to life itself, came to be. It's a journey not just into space, but into the very origins of existence. The telescope is expected to operate for at least 20 years, continuously sending data that could rewrite astronomy textbooks. As technology advances, Webb's discoveries will pave the way for even more advanced observatories.